Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for honest, detailed breakdowns of the best gear and gadgets out there. And today, we've got something that's often overlooked but plays a huge role in keeping your ride connected. This right here is the best antenna base you can get. The Votex antenna base. Part number 22,876,545 and 15,829,166. Let's dive straight into it. At first glance, it may seem like a simple component. But when it comes to vehicle performance, especially for radio clarity and durability, not all antenna bases are created equal. The Votex antenna base is a high-quality, direct-fit replacement made for those who don't want to settle for factory parts that wear out too quickly or cost a fortune at the dealership. This antenna base includes a 33-inch reception wire and it's manufactured by Votex, a family-owned, USA-based business with over 20 years of expertise. They don't just source parts and throw a logo on it. This is designed, assembled, and quality tested in the States, making it a product that speaks volumes in terms of performance and trust. So, what makes this one stand out from the rest? First off, it's a direct upgrade, specifically tailored for M7 stud configurations, which means you're getting an upgrade from the get-go. That's especially important for vehicles built in mid-2006 or older. If you fall into that category and want to reuse your original antenna, you'll need a separate adapter, part number B09LRHMQS8. For those looking for a full kit with a replacement antenna, check out part number B09LRHGBS1. The Votex antenna base doesn't just restore performance, it enhances it. It's made with materials that hold up in real-world conditions, whether you're driving through rain, snow, or a high-pressure car wash. No more worrying about weak signals or flimsy mounts. And thanks to its sleek black and silver finish, it adds a touch of class to your vehicle's exterior without being too flashy. Installation is simple. If you're even slightly comfortable with basic tools, you can swap out your old base in under 20 minutes. And once it's in, it stays in. Solid fitment and long-lasting durability are what make this product a favorite among car enthusiasts and DIYers. But here's something even better, the value. Instead of paying a premium at your local dealer, Votex brings you this upgrade at a price that actually makes sense. You're not just buying a part, you're investing in quality, signal clarity, and peace of mind. So, if you've been struggling with static radio, a loose antenna, or just want a reliable upgrade, the Votex antenna base is hands down your best option. Built right, priced right, and designed to last, this is a solid buy. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns right here on Product Critique. We'll catch you in the next one with another top-tier recommendation. Thanks for watching.